Hey everybody, this is Yakir from Arc Intelligence here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a nice tool called Snap Workplane in the Environment plugin that makes drawing contour lines super easy. So what is Snap Workplane? It's a tool that lets you create workplane anywhere you want in your project and draw model lines according to the plane. You can use this tool to create contour lines that will help you to shape and design topography surfaces. To get started, go to the Environment tab and click on the Snap Workplane command. Your cursor will turn into a black dot that snaps to all 3D elements. Really, you can snap to all kinds of surfaces, edges, and lines, even to linked and AutoCAD files. You simply click on a point in the model to set the workplane. You can now clearly see everything that is beneath and above the plane, and of course the places where the element intersect with the plane. And all of the drawing tools are available in the Modify tab. So now it's time to start drawing. Pick one of the sketching tools to draw model lines as contour lines on your workplane. Once you're done drawing the contour line, press Escape twice to go back to the picking workplane mode and continue drawing more and more contour lines. When you are finished drawing all the contour lines you need, press Escape one more time to exit the command. Don't forget, you can always edit those model lines without changing their elevation. To finish off, you can create topography from those lines by heading back to the Environment tab and clicking on the Topography tools. From there, choose the Add Lines option and select the model lines you want. Then click Add Lines. And the final touch, use the From Edge tool to place more elevation points on those floors' edges, and click Insert Point. That's it! Using the Snap Workplane tool is an easy and efficient way to create a topography surface without any problem. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more new videos.